Substitution. Substitution number 25, number 17 in. The ball on the mound, pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to 21. Reyes looking for number 16.
Very good.
De La Cruz, pass to on another ball. There's a call. 3 seconds violation. That's a 3 seconds bill. Substitution? No, that's okay. The ball is passed now. 21. Elbaris looking for Garcia. Pass to number back to Garcia. Garcia on the window. Shoot. Rebound number 50. Number 50 looking for De La Cruz. There's a call. Number 16. Substitution. 22 in. The ball on the bench. The free throw line by De La Cruz. That's 1. Another free throw. Voila. Rebound number 9. There's a call. Number 10. De La Cruz first. Personal foul. First team foul. Something. Garcia on the foul. Number 2. Pass to number 9. Back to Garcia. Reyes. Looking for 3. Rebound. Number 17. Good. Number 9 got the rebound. Pass to Amor. Number 16. To Reyes to Amor. Going over. Number 15 on the pass play. There's a call. Number 9. And substitution. On the breakthrough line, number 20. There's the 10, not good. Second breakthrough. Rebound, Reyes, pass to number 9. Vidal, looking for 2. Rebound, number 17, swing, Arley. On the pass play. Pass to De La Cruz, number 10, looking for 2. Rebound, number 50, Liam. Reyes, dribbling the ball. Out of bounds. Same ball. Substitution. Lusada in. Garcia on the base. Kaura, you can watch our basketball tonight championship on Kaura on YouTube. It's Sergio of baseball. Number 50. Looking for number 4. Number 4. Into now on 3. Oh! Lumabas. Number 22 lang ang rebound. There's a ball. Substitution. Number 9. Substitution. Number 9. Welcome our Brilliant! Very tight! Our Brilliant Arman Arana is here tonight! supporter here in Marlboro Filipino Basketball League, Arman Arana. If you need to fix your car, any hill damage, any car damages, just approach Arman Arana, our very long Filipino entrepreneur here in Calgary. De La Cruz, 3. That's 3 points. De La Cruz, number 10. For round, Lax Otubari. Number 9, Idunal. Looking for Reyes. Reyes on the rainbow. Number 4 got the rebound. Looking for 2. Wala, rebound. Number 10, the pass back. Out of bounds. Substitution, 17 in. 17 Krona. Good. Lusan. Number 16 back to 11. 11 to Idunal. Number 9. Number 9 back to Lusada. To number 16. Amor. Krona 3 back to this. That's a jumbo. Para itlog yan ito. Simple. It's done for now in bounds. 51 seconds on the first quarter. Remaining on this first quarter. Idunal, number 9. Looking for 2. Wala. Rebound to number 10. On the pass. That's another 2. Rona. Looking for opening. Pass to number 11. To number 9. To number 4. Number 9 got the ball. There's a ball. It's a good basket. That's a good basket. 24. First team foul. First personal foul, number 24. Idunal on the free throw line.
17-9. 17-9.
13 seconds remaining on this first quarter. That's good. One free throw.
Kaya.
De La Cruz, number 10. Pass to number 20, 24. Thrown over. To Bruna on 2. That's a time for the first quarter. Our score is 10-17. 17 for Morale.
Kaya.
10 for RTP online.
Okay, teams for both teams. Just awareness for both teams, okay? Clock will roll over when you make a shot and it's being inbound. Clock won't stop when you make a team made a shot and it will get inbound. Clock is rolling, alright? Only on dead balls. So last 4 quarter, that's what we have to look at. Last 4 quarter. For the first and third quarter, the clock is rolling. When it's been shot, clock is rolling. If it's not a dead ball, clock will go. Alright?
Back to the movie. It's a Brown team. Number 37. That's 2 by number 21. Number 9. Number 9 pass to 11. Looking for opening. Pass to number 5, Amor. Out of bounds. Simple. Number 4, pass to number 9. Number 9, dribbling the ball, looking for opening, pass to 19. 19 on the rainbow. Rebound, out of bounds, same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Lusada. There is a call, traveling violation. 15 to number 25. 22. Looking for 2. There is a call. It's a good basket. 19. Good basket.
Layo?
Yung fast break, yung ano sila kanina.
Oo. Kaya pa yan, malayo pa eh.
Walang sipag lang.
Oo.
Kasi si ano po eh.
Kulang sila eh.
Number 9. Looking for number 19. 19. On 2. That's 2 points. That makes 12-21 for our team. Number 22. Pass to number 51. 15. That's 2 for 15. Lusada looking for number 4. Number 4. There's a count. There's a goal. 22. That's top free throw on the line. Number 20. That's 2. Number 25. Outside ball.
Sipag lang.
Number 4. 19. That's 11. Leto Lusada. Our score 25-14. Favor of Lux everybody. Move out. It's a jumble. The ball goes to White. Number 9, pass to Lusada. Number 19. That's a good one. That's 2 points. That makes 16-25. Number 22. 50. 25. Rebound number 11. Number Lusada looking for a basket to number 4. Number 4 to Louis. Pass to number 11 to number 9. Number 9 looking for number 4. Number 4 to 2. Time out. Time out. Locks with the body. Pull out. Shout out. Golden Retrievers.
Umabol na. Umabol na. Umabol na. Umabol na, umabol na.
Auto service.
Oh! Si Arman, si Arman. Lord. Shout out sa'yo, shout out. Ito yung best friend mo, oh. Best friend mo ito. Arman. Si Arman, ha? Nandun yung bossing mo, nandun sa kaupo dun, no? Si Boss Arman.
Back to the ball game.
Kaya stay tuned lang tayo sa ating live. Oh.
Back to the ball game. This is a second quarter. Second quarter, our score 25-18. 25 for Laksa Tubari, all for round. And 18 for PP Artline. Number 22. There's a call. 2 point. Number 11, substitution. And 2 free throw on the line, number 22. Substitution. Ilmarius. Just wait until the last free throw. 22 on the free throw line. Line violation.
May violation.
Wala.
Rebound number 16. Going to down number 9. Number 9 looking for number 19. That's turnover. Number 10 got the ball. Gilbert De La Cruz. Number 10. Pass to Allen. Number 15. To number 22. Warley, 17. Out of bounds. Substitution. 21 PSN and number 19 on the bench.
Pick!
21, pass to Lito, pass to number 4, 29, on the rainbow. Short. That's out of bounds. Simple. Number 9 on inbound. Number 9 looking for number 11. Wala, rebound, number 21. Pass to number 22 to 15. Out of bounds. Our score is 26 for Lax Otobari, Burao, and 18 for PP Artline. Number 4, pass to number 9, on the rainbow. Wala pa rin.
Okay, shout out kay Boss Arman. Alaan niya ng Canadian Auto. Nandito siya ngayon, oh.
21 pass to Alan. 15, 17, Ali. That's 2 points. That's 10-point lead.
Yan, mahabol na po, mahabol na, 10 na lang, 10.
Number 9, looking for Amor, number 4. That's a foul. And substitution. Number 11 on the bench. Number 3 in Garcia. So number 9 looking for number 4. Number 16. Twenty-one to number 10. Number 10 on 3. Then number 10 got the ball on 3 again. Gilbert got the ball. Pass to Rias. That's good.
diretso na eh.
Time out! Time out! PP Park Line. This time out brought to you by our sponsors. Arman Arana of Canadian Auto Repair, Andreas of Charles Clint Toyota, Roland Elson, Canadian Auto Appliance and Restoration Services of Royal Joel Pagara. And
Canadian Auto.
Max Rialdo. You can approach all the people at the door. All those sponsors. This is a very good people. Arman Arana of Canadian Auto Repair. Also, Roland of ELM's Auto Services, Mother Services.
Pag kaya lang ha, kung kaya lang magtao-tao. Go, 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 go!
22. There's a foul.
Ang bilis naman ng referee magbigay.
Number 16.
Kakapasok lang ng tao, binigay agad yung bola eh. Oo.
Second personal foul, number 16. Go free throw on the line by 22.
Yun ang ating mga mamsi, oh, nandun, oh.
Second free throw.
Oh, shout out kay si ating Kaidar. Si Arman, si Arman.
Score 30-18.
Bitaw mo ng 3 point.
Number 9. We do now. Pass to Reyes. Number 21. There's a foul. It's a foul number 17. And 2 free throw on the line by Elmer Reyes. One of the commissioner in Golden Achievers. Elmer Reyes, number 21. The brother of Olan Garcia Reyes, our commissioner in Golden Achievers. Number 10. De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Arlen. To number 22. Out of bounds. White ball. Remaining time 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Garcia, pass to Amor. Amor, looking for Garcia, on the rainbow, Garcia. Rebound, number 4. Number 4 again to Garcia, to Reyes. Reyes, looking for Mia. There's a call. Number 17. Number 17. And 2 free throw on the line by Elmer Reyes. 2 free throw on the line. First free throw, short.
Sino?
Second free throw. Substitution. Number 19 in and number 16 on the bench. Number 10, De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to number 21 to Ibok, to Alan. Alan with 3. That's 3 points. Alan, we're out. Number 4, pass to number 19 on 3. Alright. That's 2 to 1. 2 points. Reyes. Rebound. Number 25, 22 on the fast break. Looking for 17. There's a call. White 19. Number 18. 19.
Okay, shout out kay Boss Arman ng Aranya ng Canadian Auto. Okay lang pala. Oh, okay lang. Bakit? Patukuran ko nga eh, tukuran ko eh. Hawakan ko. Wala na akong tukuran. Luloko tayo ito. Tukuran natin yun eh. Ito ka nakatukod dyan eh. Shout out kay Boss Arman. Yun. Boss Arman Aranya ng Canadian Auto. Yan, Canadian Auto.
Let's go to body. This time out. Good to you, by Arman Arana.
Alex Tumang. Yan. Ang gwapo ni Alex Tumang.
Andrew Reyes of Charleston, Toyota. Alex Tumang of Remax Royalty. And Canadian Appliance Restoration Services of Joel Pagan. Also our very good friend, Ian Harris Auto Services.
Hey! Bigay mo sa akin malas mo. Yeah, akin na. Shoot na yan. Shoot na yan. Kinuha ko na yung malas mo. Score ay 21-36 in favor of Buraot. Oh, mga kaurag. Ako.
Number 22 on inbound.
Medyo malaki-laki na.
Number 22, pass to number 10.
Yan, shout out sa mga nanonood. Lamang ang Buraot.
Pass to number 22. 22 back to number 10. To 17 on the side. That's 3 points.
Lakas talaga sila.
Number 17, Arlie Swain. 8 seconds to shoot. Rebound number 22. It's Chapo. Global. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds to shoot. That's at second quarter. The end of second quarter. 39-21. Our Kaurag is live tonight. Kaurag. YouTube channel, our very own good friend, Kaurag of Golden Achievers.
Thank you.
You can watch all the YouTube basketball on Kaurag YouTube.
Galingan nyo. Ayun, kaya. Ano masabi mo? Bilog ang bola. Ito yung mga achievers, mga bigatin. Kinaya ko buhay ko sa'yo. Isa lang sinut mo. Pininta ko bakit tuba ng triple shot out. Ako pa nagtaya. Isa lang ang sinut. Kaya yan. Kunting sipag lang. Sipag lang.
Canadian Appliances Restoration Services. Ini appliances you need.
Punong-puno.
Canadian Appliance Restoration.
Daming manunod.
Also our very good friend here. He is one of the owners.
Andun yung Abalos.
Auto Services. All Filipino here in Calgary. You can approach him anytime.
Yan, shout out kayo, Mr. Arman.
Service.
Pasalubong pagbalik. Kahit isang tuyo lang. White ball, white ball.
Let's go. Third quarter.
Third quarter.
Back to the bogey. White ball. PPA part line. Pass. Rona, number 17. Rona to 11. Lito Lusada. Lusada. Looking for Elmer Reyes. Passport. Back miss the basket. Rebound number 25. Number 10. Gilbert. Gilbert dribbling the ball. Looking for out of bounds. Simple.
Depensa, depensa.
Alam ng iba. 25. Gilbert get a ball. Pass to Alan. Pains to shoot. Out of bounds. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 25. That's a good layup. Number 24. 41-21. Number 21. Reyes. Rona. Rona 2. That's good for Rona. Number 17. Oh, PP front line. Rona. Big guard. Gilbert number 10, De La Cruz. There's a ball. Number 17. Holding foul. Number 10. Pass to Alan. That's a good pass. That's a good basket. Number 25.
Basket by Moy.
81. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Looking for Rona. Rona. For more, number 16. A ball again. There's a call. Number 50. Number 50. On the free throw line. By 16. There's a free throw. Missed the ball. Second free throw. Last rebound. Number 50. Pass to 15. Basket for Underdog, 2 points. Number 9, PP part line, to 11. Back to Bruna. Bruna on the rainbow. So there's a call. 16, pushing foul. Third personal foul. Number 10, De La Cruz. De La Cruz to 24 on 2. Rebound more. Number 4, pass to Elmer Reyes. Number 21. Rebound to T. Pass number 10. De La Cruz. There's the ball. Number 4. Substitution.
Sub.
Number 18 in. And 2 free throw on the line.
Hello, coach.
Our score, 45.
Ayan na, si coach ano na.
Last
Ano, shoutout kay Boss Arman. Boss Arman, nanonood si Boss Arman.
Boss Arman, baka rin sa tama na ron, kailangan kita
Nagpapakasarap si Boss Arman. Enjoy ka lang sa bakasyon dyan, Boss Arman. Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi pa tapos ang quarter. May fourth quarter pa. Bitaw! Uy, bitin.
Ball is short. Number 15 with the basket. Lusana got the ball. Lusana. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Lusana again. Pass to number 18. Amor.
Good! Basket.
One bonus to the line. 24. Pushing foul.
47-25.
Substitution. 21 in.
Si Brum Brum. Pasok Brum Brum.
Substitution. Get your sub. Get your sub. Go. Number 16 on the free throw line. Got the ball. Rebound. Pass to number 4. There's the call. 25. Free throw on the line.
Unti-unti lang, unti-unti lang. Unti-unti lang.
Number 4. First finger and good.
May isa tayong
Ha?
Second pressure. Ball goes to number 10. Number 10, De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to number 1. Back to number 10. Number 10 to 15. There's the call. Number 16.
16.
Fourth personal foul. 15. Substitution. Substitution. Get
Oy,
yourself.
3 points, 3 points. Bitawan nyo ng 3 points. Meron pa ba, Bes? Makainom naman. Ako
First free throw is good.
Yun.
Second free throw. That's short. Ball gets the game. Number 15. Pass number 10. Number 25. Pinida. Wala. That's a good one. Our minute time, 3 minutes and 50 seconds for the third quarter. Another turnover. Pinida pass to De La Cruz, number 10. Number 10. Dribbling the ball, looking for number 15. Number 15, that's a good layup. Dona versus 15. Dona on 3. And good at the basket. De La Cruz, number 10. Number 10. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 21. 21 on the rainbow. That's 3 points. Or 3 shooter champion. Ibok Pinida. There's a call. Number 15, pushing foul. Substitution. Get your sub. Get your sub. 55-25. Garcia to Bruna. Bruna looking for 2. That's 2 points for Bruna. That's an additional score. 27-55 for Bruna. Number 2, De La Cruz. Number 21. That's a good pass. Follow up by 50. That's a good 2 points.
Time out, time out, time out.
Time out.
Wala kang malaki. Wala kang malaki sa loob. Wala na. Bitawan nyo ng 3. 3 point and 3 point. Ayun na lang ang pag-asa dyan. 3 points. 3 points. Oh. 3 point, 3 point.
Back to the ball game.
57, 27. 3 point, 3 points, 3 points.
Bruna. Bruna number 17. On the side.
Oh. Ganun lang yun, ganun lang.
Number 20. Pipi Park line. Garcia, pass to number 19. Number 17. Harley looking for teammate. Pass to number 22 on the side. 17 got the rebound. Pass to 21. 21. Breaking the ball. Pass to Garcia. Garcia.
Yeah!
That's good for 2. Number 18 on 3 left. Harley got the ball. Number 17. That's another additional 2 points. That makes 61-30. Third quarter pa. 61-30.
May isa pang quarter pa.
61-30.
May isang quarter pa.
Coming fourth quarter.
May isang quarter pa. May isang quarter pa. May isang quarter pa. Huwag niyo pabayaan tambakan kayo. Oo, sayang. Huwag niyo pabayaan tambakan kayo.
Pinalabas ko na yung master player nila.
Oo. Bigyan nyo ng laban. Bigyan nyo. Bigyan nyo ng laban. Huwag yung...
Don't give up, don't give up.
Oo, bigyan nyo ng laban para maganda. Yan. May isang quarter pa eh. Bakit gigigap kayo?
Round team, number 21, pass to 25. Number 15, pass to De La Cruz, number 10. Number 10, looking for Alan on the side. Rebound number 4, pass to number 9. And more, there's a call. To number 22. And free throw on the line by number 16, Amor. First free throw not good.
Kaya pa eh.
Free throw. Here comes Alex Tuman, our number 1 supporter here. Alex Tuman of Remax Royalty. Third placer tonight is D. Number 15, Alan. 25.
Oy! Nako. Shout out kay Boss Francis Cristomo ng Quick Tire. Shout out sa iyo, Boss Francis ng Quick Tire.
Number 18.
Boss Francis, Quick Tire. Shout out.
Number 9, Division. Pulito. Not good. 22 got the rebound. 22 pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Alan. To 25, Pineda. Back to De La Cruz, number 10. There's a call. This line 19.
Oh, shout out. Walang ano man, boss. Stay tuned ka lang.
Harley on the side for 3.
Wala.
3 points.
Kinakain na ng buhay ang ating BBF.
Harley swing. Oh, we're round team. Rebound Pineda. Number 25. Pass to Harley. Number 17. Back to number 10. Alan. That's 2. 6 minutes and 30 seconds on this final quarter.
Nadali. Kadibdiban. Lowi, mag 3 points. 3 points. Ha? Damihan mo 3 points.
Adrian, number 9. Number 9 pass to Lowe, number 19. Undergoal by Amor. Rebound number 4, follow up. That's 2 points.
Uy! Yung mababait dyan, pasend naman ng star.
Number 10. Number 10 looking for 22. 17, foul, Edgar Prona. Time out, Burao team, blue team. This time out, brought to you by our sponsors.
Oy, mababait na watchers natin na nanonood. Shoutout sa inyo mga idol.
We serve the people. You can approach him anytime. If you have problem with your car,
Baka tayo, boss. Naunahan na tayo, naunahan na, boss.
Alex Tuman, our next realty. Number 1. And young business.
Ayun, dito tayo sa tampakan na. Shoutout.
Anytime of shelter, Alex Tuman.
Kay Alex Tumang, yan. Shoutout kay Mr. Francis Crisostomo ng Quick Tire. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. At shoutout kay Boss Arman Bakarisas. Oy, pasalubong pagbalik. Ayan.
Pinoy Justice Andreas. Joel Pagalan, Canadian Appliance Restoration Services. Grabe ang violation. Golden Achievers. Our very own Holland Garcia Urias. One of the commissioner of Golden Achievers. Kaura, our YouTuber, the business YouTube blogger here in town. Kaura.
Ayun, salamat sa shoutout, Mr. Edsa.
Ryan Robinson.
Salamat sa iyo. Shoutout kay Mr. Edsa. Nandito siya ngayon, yan. Nandito tayo sa Marlboro Community Center sa may Northeast. Championship po to, Buraot versus BPF. Yan. Malakas talaga ang Buraot.
Basket is good. Number.
Oh, shoutout kay Bibo. Tutoy Bibo. Shoutout sa iyo, idol.
Number 18. And one free throw on the line by Pineda.
Shoutout kay Boss Bibo. Shoutout sa iyo, idol.
One of our champion is 25. 3-point shoot. Ibong Pineda, number 21. No. The power ball. There's a ball. Number 4. And two on the line.
Yung mga gustong mag-set ng star, click lang po ang star para may $1 tayo. Salamat.
50 ang napaw. 50 ba ito? 50. Rebound number 50. Number 50. Destroying the ball. Looking for. That's Ibong Pineda, number 21.
Kinakain talaga ng buhay.
Lusada for more. Undergo. That's good for more. Number 16. PPE Frontline. PPE Frontline is one of the designer of car art.
Uy!
Number 24. That's 2 points. Rebound 50. Number 4. It's only 2 points. Lusada out of bounds. 73-39. Yes, a matter of 1 minute and 51 seconds. Number 4, 17, Puna.
75-39.
Rona on 3. Gabi sipok ko, walang matawad. The score, 75-39. Time remaining 1 minute, 11 seconds. Inter Puna.
Lala, 1 minute lang. 40 seconds.
Number 4 on the rainbow.
Thank you sa mga nanood. Salamat sa inyo mga nanood. At shout out sa inyo mga idol, mga boss. Yun, panalo ang round. Ang score natin ay
Never surrender.
77-39. Yan. Ayan.
Kaurag on the house.
Ayan na, ilang mga na tayo. Ilang baka na tayo.
76 seconds.
Ayun o.
That's 3 points of Little Lozada, number 11.
Ito nagpahirap dito eh.
Another point, Little Lozada.
Ayun, nagpahirap o. Ito lo. Ayun, si Boss Arman o. Ayan o, ayan o. Ayan. Oy, tama ko dyan. Ayan, mga ayun lang dito. Ayun o. Shoutout to, sabi ni Boss Arman Bacaritas. Shoutout. Yun, oh. Lana. Deda, Mr. Edsa. Yan, ang ating idol, oh. Mr. Edsa, oh. Score. 79-39, yan.
Okay. We have
Okay.
to announce the mythical fight.
Hanggang dito na lang. Yan. Panalo ang, at ito ang awarding. Nag-awarding ceremony. Ito mga trophy nila.
Okay, you have to
Yan, mga
tell
trophy nila.
the mythical fight on this season.
Yan.
Mythical fight on this season. Our sponsor, Alex Tuman, is here. Our very own Rimax Realtor, located in TET office.
Yan.
Also, Arman Arana, our very own Canadian attorney here.
Yan, mga kaurak. Tapos na. Uy, ang nag-iisang legend na Alex Tumang. Yan.
You can approach them anytime. They are approachable.
Mukhang nakatrophy ka na naman, boss, ah.
Also, Bryce Mintos, our very own services, car services, RS car services.
Awarding na, mga kaurag. Awarding na. Tuloy-tuloy natin ang live dito sa awarding.
Congratulations to Lats Otobari for winning the championship game. We have to announce first the mythical fight for tonight's game and also the final MVP for this 50 and above.
Ayun, oh. Shoutout! Yan, nakalive tayo. Ayun, oh, mga idol, oh. Oy. Ano masasabi nyo? Oo, ha? Wala kasi kayo doon eh. Kung nandun kayo, sigurado yan. May laban tayo. May kulang eh. At nandito yung mga mamski. Nandito. Yan. Ano problema yan? Yung talagang mga supporter yan. Dito. Di nawawala. Talaga naman. Kahit saan. Basta may court, may abalos. Iyon oh. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Yung mga idol ng bayan oh. Ayun oh.
Okay,
Kung ano-ano kasi kinakain ito eh. Aray ko. Eh, kung ano-ano kinakain eh. Di ba?
Yung mga dumabangkay na tripod para mga gambambahay.
Gumambahay.
Balikan sa Huntington.
Ayun. Ito. Ayun pa.
Ayun pa, sa'yo na.
Ay.
kami hiyang doon kasi may pusta.
Ito, wala si Boss Jeric doon. Kung dumating to, sigurado atin yun. Wala, late eh. Ayun na.
Okay, we have to request our sponsor.
Shoutout kay Arman. Shoutout kay Arman.
And we have the typical five for this first
Boss Francis nandito.
season
Ah.
25.
Yeah.
First season,
Francis eh.
typical five. Our first brand new legend.
Medical
Okay,
5.
the hero.
Medical 5. Tatawagan ng Medical 5 yan. Gawin tayo para matapos na ang ating live. Sino ba Medical 5 dyan sa inyo? Mukha na dito yung Medical 5 eh. Kaya dito muna ako.
Okay, our first medical five.
Doon. Tadaan!
For the legend. Latika, number 7.
Oh, yung pala.
The legend, number 7. Medical five. On this first season of 45 and up of Team Sports, Marlboro Filipino Basketball League.
Yan, awarding.
That's Latika, number 7 of the legend. Congratulations for the best game of this season.
Tapos talaga yun. Yan na nabit yun eh.
And for Alex Tuman team, Jojo Olave, the 3-pointers. Our very good friend, Jojo Olave. From Alex Tuman team, Jojo Olave, the 3-pointers. And our sponsor, Alex Tuman and Arman Arana, is there. Also the next one, number 21 of PP Parkline,
Oy!
Elmer Reyes.
Oy!
Elmer Reyes, one of our mythical five from this season. From PP Parkline, even he's injured, but he's still free.
Kasama ang ako. Perming kasama ang ako.
Elmer Reyes, PP Parkline, mythical five. Our sponsor is Alex Tuman and Arman Arana is there. From Buray, mythical five from Buray. Number 50, Chang Hego. Number 50.
Yun, no? Mga bigatin, ha? Mga bigatin to mga player na to.
That's our mythical five for Buray.
Ayan, mga bigatin, no? Isa pa.
And we have the last one from Quick Tire.
Quick tire.
Quick Tire, our mythical five. Garcia,
Wala.
mythical five. Garcia,
Yun.
Joel Garcia, number 15. And number 1 on Quick Tire, Joel Garcia. That's the mythical five for the first season of Marlboro Filipino Basketball League Team Sports here in Marlboro. Olan Garcia, Reyes, our Korean, our good friend from Golden Achievers. Every Saturday,
Yun, no?
Ray, Our very own Golden Achievers Commissioners.
Yun, no?
Thank you very much.
Saktong ano, no?
And good luck for the next season. Mythical 5.
Yun, number 1 ha. Mga idol.
Okay. Our final MVP. Our
Final MVP.
second place. Our second place.
Second place.
Fortnite team. All players from our PP outline. Goes to the people, please. From PP outline. Our second runner-up. PP outline. All players.
Player!
You have to receive your golden
Second place lang tayo mga kawalan.
This is the second runner-up from PPM Artline. Congratulations, PPM Artline, for the best you have this season. That's why you be the second runner-up tonight. PPM Artline.
Yan.
The second
Second
season
place,
of Marlboro Filipino
PPF
Basketball League Team Sports. PPM Artline, second runner-up. Olan and Ray, and all the gangs of Golden Achievers, with all your support here, you can take pictures. This is all about Golden Achievers. Golden Achievers.
Dami namin!
Uy!
Grabe, Golden Achievers.
Golden Achievers yan, oh! Yes! Sapa!
Dami yan na!
Hey! Yan, oh, dami namin, oh! Wow!
Congratulations, our second runner-up.
Yan.
PPM
Punta kami, Paul. Yan.
Salamat sa lahat ng Golden Achievers.
Yeah.
Nakita nyo naman.
Yan,
Full support.
Full support yan.
Full support.
Siyempre.
PPM Artline. Okay, for the champions, the best of the best. Okay. The 3-point shootout champion tonight goes to the Barao team. Ipok Pineda.
Uy! Ayos!
Ipok Pineda, our champion for the shootout, 3-point shootout. Money goes all to you.
Yan ang mga BPF.
Oh, cash prize for the second runner-up. Your cash prize. Don't forget. Your cash prize. Congratulations, guys. Second runner-up. Ipok Pineda. Wala pang champion. Wala pang champion. Score pa yan. Shoot up. And also, our final MVP. Number 21. Ipok Pineda!
Thank you!
Grabe! Dalawang awards.
3-point king.
And the champion! The best of the best! Our first season champion! Marlboro Filipino Basketball League goes to Barao
Wow.
team, Lax Otobani. All team, all players must go to the table for the champion. Grabe sibuk ko. Daming tanduan. Okay, the champion of the first season, Buraut Lax Otobani. First season champion here in Marlboro. First season Marlboro Filipino League.
Susunod dyan, quick tire na mag-champion.
All players, we have election in town, so don't go home. Okay, we have the cash prize. Okay, the cash prize from our very own Canadian Authority from Arman Arana. We have a cash prize goes to the first pleaser, the champion, Burao team. And also the second, that's Arman Arana. Cash prize for you.
Wow!
Grabe Bukok. And thank you for our referee. Thank you, referee. Thank you for the...
Lupit!
Grabe.
Ha?
Congratulations. Congratulations guys.
Lupit ni mo yun.
For your best
The best.
game tonight. Congrats.
Congrats sa all, oh. Yun, ang idol, oh. Ha?
Anong masasabi mo?
Maganda. Jumon sila sa atin. Oo, jumon sila sa atin.
The champion with the class prize from Arman Arana, our very good friend from Canadian Auto Repair.
Ayan mga guys.
Okay, players.
Okay, hanggang dito na lang ang ating...
You can enjoy.
Ganito na lang ang ating live. Naka-live po tayo. Ganito na lang itong ating best. Ayan na.
Kaura, YouTube
Okay.
channel. Please subscribe, comment.
Yan.
And like.
Okay mga kaurag. Ganito na lang. Kami uuwi na.
Nakakabit pa natin pyesa.
Magkakabit pa ng pyesa. Ay, oo nga pala. Okay, salamat sa mga nanood. Mr. Salamat. Mag-iisang milyonaryo dito sa Calgary. Si Arik Tumang yan. Yeah.
Sige kuya, iyan ako. Andinit daw.
And thank you.
Okay mga kaurang. Salamat sa mga nanood at salamat sa mga walang nag-share ng star. Yun, okay.
Also to our very good
Dito
friend
tayo sa
Hamilton.
Marlboro Center.
And also the owner of ARRE's
Yan.
Auto
Dito lang.
Services.
Salamat.